Can you step down? Good job. Here, let's turn on the light. Or where are we going? Back to the playroom? Back to the playroom? Into the kitchen. We got the new high chair that you smeared up with spaghetti tonight. Oh, sure. We're going back. Should we see what Dad's doing? See what he's doing. Got a step. Yeah, you're walking all over the place. You're walking all over the place now. Are you coming back? Yeah, you don't look very tired.